Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix decline by issuer on crypto.com. So if your transaction on crypto.com has declined by the user, it means that the issuer of your payment method has rejected the transaction. Now this happens for various reasons such as insufficient funds, suspicious activity, or block placed by the user. To fix this issue, you can try following these steps. You need to ensure that you have a sufficient funds in your bank account or available credit on your card to cover the transaction. If your balance is low or below the limitations, then you may need to deposit money or use different method in order to make this transaction possible. Now the step number 2 is you can contact the issuer. You need to reach out to your bank or credit card company, inquire about the reason for the decline of the transaction. They can provide specific details regarding the decline and offer guidance on how you can resolve this issue. And for the step number 3, you can verify your card details. Double check the card information that you've entered on crypto.com. Make sure that the card number, expiry date, CVV code, and billing address are all correct. Even small errors in these details can hinder the transaction. In case if you're making an international transfer, then you need to enable international transaction. If you're making international payment and your card is not set up for an international transaction, it could be a result of decline. Contact your issuer to ensure that your card is enabled for international use. Step number 5, you can remove blocks or restrictions. In some cases, the issuer may have placed a temporary block on your card or account due to suspicious activity. Contact them to verify if any restriction exists and request their removal if appropriate. After that, on step number 6, you can also try different payment method. If the issuer persists, consider using all alternative payment methods such as different card or different cryptocurrency if available on crypto.com. Despite of following all of these steps, if you're still unable to fix it, you can simply reach out to the crypto.com support team. They will provide you with assistance, investigate the problem further. In this way, you can fix decline by issuer on crypto.com error on your device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.